Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about how to protect one of the most used and probably best loved pieces of furniture in your entire home, the sofa. Really, this is all about getting a little peace of mind in a world full of potential spills and stains. Oh, we've all been there, right? That split second of panic as you watch a disaster unfold in what feels like slow motion. Could be coffee, could be juice, could be muddy paw prints. That feeling of dread is universal. But you know what? It doesn't have to be. So in this explainer, we're going to look at the common problems our sofas face. Then we'll dive into the science that actually protects them. After that, I'll walk you through how to choose the perfect cover. And finally, how to protect your investment for years to come. Let's get right into it. Okay, so what are we really up against here? Well, it's the daily battle between life and your upholstery. We're talking spills, stains, pet hair, and just the general wear and tear that can seriously shorten the life of your furniture and, let's be honest, cause a whole lot of stress. This is where the waterproof sofa cover comes in, and it's so much more than just a decorative slipcover. Think of it like functional armor for your couch, creating a shield that literally stops spills in their tracks before they can do any permanent damage. So, how does this technology actually work? It might seem like magic, but it's not. It's all material science, and it's actually pretty fascinating stuff. There are a few key methods at play. Some covers have this special coating that makes liquid just bead up and roll right off. Others rely on fibers that are woven so incredibly tight that water just can't get through. The really high-end ones might use a multi-layer construction, almost like a high-tech sandwich, while the most advanced use these special membranes that are both waterproof and breathable. Now, this is crucial, so you'll want to pay close attention here. There's a huge difference between water-resistant and waterproof. Water-resistant might handle a tiny spill if you wipe it up immediately. But waterproof, that creates a true solid barrier that can handle a major spill, giving you plenty of time to clean it up without any panic at all. And this is how modern covers solve an old problem. You know how early waterproof stuff felt kind of like plastic? That's because it trapped heat. But these advanced fabrics can have up to 10,000 microscopic pores per square meter. That means they're fully protective and totally comfortable to relax on, even when it's warm. The material you choose is absolutely everything. For just general family use, polyester microfiber is soft and durable. But if you have young kids or pets, a PU-coated fabric gives you that real waterproof barrier. And for the patio furniture, you're going to want tough Oxford cloth. The trick is to match the material directly to your life. All right, we've geeked out on the science a bit. Now let's get super practical. How do you actually go about choosing the right cover when there are so many options out there? Let's just walk right through it. Okay, beyond just the waterproofing, there are some features that take a cover from just being good to being great. A non-slip design, for example, is a total non-negotiable. I mean, who wants to be fixing a bunched-up cover all day? Also think about cool extras, like a reversible design. You get 2 looks in one, or even those handy side pockets for your remote. Following these 5 simple steps will save you a ton of guesswork. First, just be honest about what you need. Are you defending against toddlers or just the occasional accident? Second, measure your sofa carefully. After that, match the material to your life. Make sure it says 100% waterproof. And finally, pick a style you actually love looking at. See, the whole point is right here on this slide. This is not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. If your living room is basically Grand Central Station for your family, you want a durable quilted microfiber. If you live somewhere hot, a breathable fabric is going to be essential for comfort. When you connect your daily life to the material, you'll be so much happier with your choice. Okay, so you've picked out the perfect material. Your sofa is protected. Awesome. But how do you protect the protector? We need to make sure this thing lasts. The good news is proper care is really simple, but it is essential. Always check the label first, but most of these can go right in the washing machine. Now, the single most important tip: avoid fabric softeners. Seriously, they can actually clog up the waterproof layer and make it less effective. A simple wash and a low heat dry is pretty much all it needs. And that really just sums it all up, doesn't it? A good cover isn't just a piece of fabric. It's an investment that turns what could be a total disaster into a minor inconvenience that you can just wipe away. You're basically buying back your own peace of mind. So there you have it. You now have the tools to choose the right protection for your sofa so you can just relax, knowing you're ready for whatever life or your kids or your pets throws at it. To explore all the different options we talked about and find that perfect cover for your home, you should definitely check out the source of today's explainer at Fair Solution.